Already, what am I looking at going into tomorrow? Well, quick recap of today. Um, we had that recovery effort totally in play, as we mentioned yesterday, and such a strong recovery effort that essentially it was bullish all overnight session and then a choppy push down, but barely a choppy push down. So we still definitely still have this gap to fill. Definitely something to be aware of. It was almost closed on ES, virtually closed, but that recovery effort was totally in play. There's such huge divergence going on right now between NQ and ES, but definitely something to just keep in mind. This recovery effort's in play. We have these gaps, and it was extremely supportive after FOMC. I was very bearish at FOMC, which we saw that very violent push down, but then upon the contract rollover gap fill, we had major buying. So going into Friday, I'm actually bullish, and with a little bit of pullback around 83 on ES and on NQ around 650, 655. So you could read that for yourself, and just pushing up confirmation, holding above dead zone, and getting above this wave 7 hourly, and actually targeting 900 in the in RTH. And so that's what I'm looking for, and then a reversal from there. But if we start having strength above this, then into the overnight ceiling. So if necessary, I'll add some levels like I almost had to today, but this wave 20 hourly open state contained everything. So I did anyway. But yeah, so it pushed down, and then the ideal short target for tomorrow is 370, 375, 382. Yeah, this is really looking to get closed. So on ES, similar situation, pushing down at 83 up to 20, and then back down to 40, 42. Definitely there's opportunities to take profit along the way. So it's going to be a good day. Just don't overthink it. And yep, some invalidations. Just pay attention to what the dead zone and the yellow box are telling you. So if we push down and this L1 min wants to hang out, you got to think about how London session affects Asia. Just there's a lot of bouncing around and a lot of surging that happens between 2 to 4 o'clock in particular directions, gives us momentum into RTH. So yeah, I definitely don't think that this is going to get filled overnight. These highs, notice how highs were not set in RTH for multiple days. They were set in ETH, high. And then here we had the high, and then we finally got the high established in RTH. So these overnight highs were not challenged consistently. Well, that's not the case anymore. And so I think that's going to give us even more momentum going upwards, that we have that bullish momentum, but now I'm anticipating us to have a larger pullback after this high has been established, and then it'll get revisited again in RTH. So, yep, that's my thesis. And of course, always exercise risk management, and there's many opportunities in between. So take care.